This week, in Real Estate Now for real estate agents, I want to talk about being dependent on one lead source. This week, on Real Estate Now for real estate agents, I want to talk about not being dependent on a single lead source, or maybe even two. I'm a big believer in building a big real estate business that is dependent on multiple channels or sources of business, if you will. I think it's super dangerous to depend on just one lead source. The most natural one that people rely on are referrals from family members and friends. As you grow your business a bit, then you start to rely maybe on the past client referral part as well, and them coming back to you over time. I kind of see those almost as one source. You can certainly consider them two. But even that one I think is dangerous to rely on solely if you have designs on building a bigger, more lucrative real estate career. And so I think you need to add in a couple more. Past client, sphere of influence, referrals, that sort of thing is super important. You should always be focused on that one. But somewhere along the line, sooner rather than later, you're going to need to start sprinkling in some others. And frankly, I know some real estate agents that have not done this, and they put their business in peril when they have just one source they're relying on. Maybe it's sometimes it's new construction. All they're doing is the new construction deals. They're not building a resale side of the business kind of thing. And so that's awesome until the builder gets a different mindset around how they want to do their business. They change their model or whatever. Maybe it leaves the agent on the outside looking in. That's not bad business to do. I wouldn't make it the only source. Maybe it's the Zillow thing where a lot of agents spend a lot of money on Zillow, and that's fine. It's super expensive, but there are agents that do well with that. And if that's your only source and Zillow changes their model or their prices escalate to where it doesn't make sense for you to do it, or a variety of things that might happen there, you're going to be left on the outside looking in again. Same thing with Realtor.com. Yet if you have a business that is past client, sphere of influence, referral kind of thing, and you also do well with open houses, that's a different source, and you do some new construction, rep at a builder maybe, or you do buy some leads from Zillow, so your three sources are there maybe, and then maybe you sprinkle in there that you work with some for sale by owners, or the expired listings when those are a thing. Then you have a business that's built around multiple sources. It can keep you stable even when forces in the marketplace change. So I think it's always super smart to think about having multiple lead sources. They can be the things you want them to be. Could be postcard mailing, could be farming. There's a lot of ways in real estate to develop business. But don't rely on one. I think it's super dangerous, and it's going to keep you from building the most lucrative real estate career you possibly could. Hopefully it's helpful. If you have any questions about it, I would love to chat with you about it and help you with that. And if you'd like to know more about what it looks like to partner with us at eXp Realty, click the link above where it says Agent Freedom Plan, and that'll take you to a page which will give you a little more info on what it looks like to partner with us. And there's also a spot on there with a link to my calendar. You can go ahead, book an appointment with us to chat for a few minutes. Doesn't have to be long. Let's just catch up, connect, and talk about what that partnership might look like, how it might benefit you, and we'll figure out where it goes from there. So I look forward to hearing from you. Have a great day. I'll talk to you soon.